What if you were given the chance to talk to your past self? What would you say?
Dear Ja, if you're reading this, maybe you're trying to understand. Maybe you're holding on the last piece of the life you once had.
Bro, let's go. We can start without you.
Let's go.
Guys! What if we make it a time capsule?
Oh!
It's a great idea.
That's nice, huh? Hey, Kimby, I want to right there. Yes. Thank you. One for you. Ito, please, huh?
Oh, so let's write something nice.
Oh, here's a pen. You first. Here's another pen.
Where's the jar? Can I have your pen?
Don't read it. Read it. Hey, may pen.
Yes. Sorry.
Sorry.
Gala is yummy, right?
Sarap, pare. So delicious, pare.
Grabe, this whole week was tiring. Let's do
Yeah.
something big this weekend, like mini getaway. Are you in?
Yeah.
Yes. Let's go road trip. Anyone?
Oh, I'm in.
I wanted to put something on my IG stories.
I wish but I can't because my family gathering sa province. I'll be stuck on playing with my pamangkin.
Same here. I got tutoring sessions. I'm out.
Sounds fun and exciting, but I've got school pendings and it's haunting me, so I'm not.
It's alright, fool. No biggest. So who wants to go?
Me! Ako!
I'll go, but I want to take a window seat.
Fine, okay. I'll bring the car. Full tank ko yan.
Uy, inggit ako. Sandpics, okay?
Okay guys, be safe and don't die.
You better not forget about us, while you're out having the time of your life.
Never, this is just one trip. We all go next time.
Saan tayo? Dito. Sabi mo dito.
Kanan nga.
Eh, para tayo maano dyan? Eh, mali yung daan na yan, pre.
Tama yan. Dito kumana ka muna. Oh, may pulis, oh. Kanan.
Di yun, kasi dun talaga dapat ang daanan, pare.
Dito dapat.
You said
You're not even listening.
Guys,
Stop! Like 8 times.
Look out!
Breaking news, we're following a serious crash in South Luzon that happened just before 5:30 this afternoon. This incident occurred at the intersection of 25th Street, Aguinaldo Highway. According to a report, a single vehicle lost control and slammed into a tree. Tragically, 4 young adults have been confirmed dead. Authorities say there was only one survivor.
Mga anino sa'yo lang lumilibot ang aking ulan na di pa makalimot. 'Cause I can't help myself.
Leave me alone!
You don't have to go through this alone, Ja.
We're still here. We're still your friends.
You're not in my position.
And I hear a knock, then suddenly, I'm awake.
How are you, Jack?
Hi, Ja.
Oh my gosh. Ah, it feels nice to be here. How are you feeling today, Jack?
I keep dreaming of the moment we're still together. I wake up and it feels like I'm the one who's behind.
Jack, we're still here. You'll never be alone, Jack.
You don't need to carry it by yourself anymore. We're still here for you.
Maybe I forgot the feeling of being whole. The pain won't just go away.
You can rely on us. Just let it out.
Thank you for not giving up on me. I think it's time to open the time capsule.
You think you can handle it?
Yes.
Somebody's holding you tonight. 'Cause I can't help myself. Somebody's holding you.
Your auntie asked if I could speak with you, Jack, not to force anything, but to offer a peace. A peace, different kind of peace. Grief often silences the soul. It makes you question everything you once believed in yourself, your faith, even your memories. I'm not here for forgiveness. Forgiveness is not the only purpose of conversation. Sometimes it's simply to witness what hurts. In loss, we often assume we must carry the burden alone, but healing begins the moment you allow others to stand beside your sorrow.
They were everything to me, and I lost all of it in 1 second.
Then carry them forward, not as things, but as a part who you became next.
Sometimes, we don't realize how heavy something is. You've been carrying this guilt like a backpack full of stones. But guilt isn't always truth. It's just grief looking for someone to blame.
I replay it in my head. The fight, the road, the crash, it never stopped.
That's your mind's way of holding on. But memory, it can either trap you or teach you. You don't have to forget them to move forward. You just have to stop punishing yourself for surviving.
I used to think the past was just a place we left behind.
If you're listening to this, maybe you're just like Jack.
You're not weak for missing them. Healing isn't forgetting. It's about remembering.
You've cried enough in silence.
Di alam kung saan tutungo ang mga habang patalikod naghihingalo.
Let the guilt go. It wasn't your fault. They want you to live fully.
Someone out there is waiting to listen, Jack.
Mga liham na ang laman, ligayang dala, ikaw lang ang may akda. Sa lahat ng pahinang sinulat ng tadhana, ikaw pa rin. Ayaw kong paulit-ulit kong babalikan. Sa away, sigaw ay ikaw pa rin. Patuloy kong panghawakan ang iyong mga salita. Hindi na nakikita sa tingin ng iyong mga mata. Ngunit kung sarado na ang puso sa nadarama, pwede bang isipin mo kung bakit tayo nagsimula? Ating katotohanay naging isang nobela.
Yung dilat na gulat ah.
Isang
What if you were given the chance to talk to your past self? What would you say?
nais na maramdaman muli kung paano isulat ang pangalan mo. Ngunit bawat letra'y mahirap nang iguhit dahil binubuo nila ang iyong mga